Good afternoon, students. We are going to have the same topic today also, moment of force. Though we already discussed, let us try to do some numericals based on this. We had seen moment of force is equal to force into perpendicular distance. If suppose this is the door with the hinges on one end and the handle on the other, and let us suppose this is the distance between the one end of the door and the other end, which is 1.2 meter. So distance is 1.2 meter, and the force applied on the handle to open the door is 1.5 newton. 1.5 newton. So we are going to find out the moment of force which is used to open the door. We have the formula force into distance, so we can write moment of force is equal to 1.2 into 1.5, which will be equal to 1.8 Newton meter. So this is the moment of force required for the door to be opened using the force of 1.5 Newton. Now you can see, if the turning effect produced on a body causes anti-clockwise rotation, then that moment of force is called anti-clockwise moment, and the value of moment of force will be taken as positive. Whereas if the rotation caused in a body is clockwise, then it is called clockwise moment and the value is negative. Let us see, suppose we have this as the wheel of radius 0.8 meter and we are applying the force of 2 Newton to rotate it. If you see the direction of the force here, you will find that this is causing a clockwise rotation on a wheel. See, rotation is in the clockwise direction. So it means when you are finding the moment of force using the same formula, here the force is 2 and the distance is 0.8, so we are getting 1.6 Newton meter. But because it is a clockwise moment which is causing clockwise rotation, so we will take the value in negative. We can write minus 1.6 Newton meter. So minus here indicates that the rotation is in the clockwise direction. Same way, if we are getting the answer in positive, it means there is an anti-clockwise rotation in a body. So coming back to the same problem of the door only, let us see what amount of or what magnitude of force are we going to apply when the distance is different or distance is changed. Suppose instead of taking a distance of 1.2 meter, if the handle is fixed at a distance of 0.6 meter, then what will be the force applied on this door to open it? So we are going to use the same formula, since moment of force is equal to force into distance, and this time we are going to find the magnitude of the force to be applied on the door. So moment of force we have already calculated as 1.8, force into distance is 0.6 meter given. So force will be equal to 1.8 divided by 0.6, which is equal to 3 Newton. So you can see, on decreasing the distance, the magnitude of the force is now increased, which is 3 Newton. Earlier when the distance was 1.2 meter, the force was less, which was 1.5 Newton. Now on decreasing the distance, you can see the amount of force to be applied now is just increased, which is 3 Newton. Next is to change direction of rotation. So there are two ways to change the direction of rotation on a body. It can be changed by changing the point of application of force, and second is by changing the direction of force. Let us try to understand. Suppose this is a body which is to be rotated, and we are applying the force at this point, and you can see the direction of the force here is which is making the body to rotate in an anti-clockwise direction. But when you change the point of application of force, say we are changing the point here, now the same force is changing the direction of rotation, which is now in the clockwise rotation. Second is by changing the direction of force. You can see when you apply force in the forward direction, you can see the body rotates in the anti-clockwise direction. But when you change the direction on the same point, say this is the direction of force now, you can see clearly that this time the rotation is in the clockwise direction. So this is how we can change the direction of rotation in a body. So in the next class, we are going to discuss about the pressure now. So your homework will be to learn about moment of force and also practice numericals based on moment of force. You should learn these 2 points also, which are very important. Thank you.